Hi everyone, Rico here from fxtitans.com. So guys, if you need a mentor or someone who can help you become profitable, well, I can certainly help. I welcome you to join my group where you will learn trading systems which I use to get funding. And you will also trade together with me and other traders in the group. So just go to my website fxtitans.com to find out more. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you a new system which I've been testing in the past couple of weeks now, and I think this is a pretty good system, and I really want to show it to you guys. This is just a really simple trading system, and as you can see here on the chart, I'm only using two indicators. One is EMA and one is RSI. So guys, the principle of this system is pretty simple. So it's actually from Larry Connors. I don't know if you heard of him. I think you just Google it. Yes. So he's actually the one that come up with this system. Yeah, and he's using RSI and the settings. Yeah, then it's 2. So it's 2 RSI. So originally he uses this system to trade stocks, right? And I was just curious, if I can trade it or I can implement it also in FX market. So yeah, here we go. So I've been testing it. It's pretty good. And so yeah, guys, just Google it, Larry Connors. I've read his book. It's pretty cool. So if you're curious, if you're interested, find out more, and then so you'll learn, understand fully. Okay, so again, the basic of the system is pretty simple. So all we need to do is to find extremes, X overbought and oversold. Yeah, so that's why it says 2 RSIs is actually looking for an extreme. So but instead of using the default setting 14, RSI 14, but Larry Connors using 2. And then he said, and he wrote on his book that it's actually RSI 14 actually has no edge, right? And actually you cannot really profitable with that setting, but using RSI 2, you can really make money. Okay, so this is how I use this system, and I'm so happy that I want to show it to you. So first things first, guys, that to trade this system, number one, you need to look for an established trend. And how do you do that? Myself, I use 50 EMA. So basically, guys, as you can see, if the price is below 50 EMA, then the trend is down, basically, right? And of course, you need to see it visually that like it's an established trend that the price is going lower and lower, making lower highs and lower lows, right? And as like, for example, like this is a downtrend, and the price is really below the 50 EMA, and all you need to do is look for a sell signal. And on the other hand, if the price is moving higher like this, making higher highs and higher lows, and then as you can see, it's above 50 EMA, meaning this is in uptrend, and look for buy signal only. Okay, so how do we what is the entry? How do we get in? All right, so let me just hide this one. Okay, so first things first that you need to do, right, as I said, you need to find extremes, right? And the setting is already put to RSI, and all you need to do, change it instead of 70 to 30 like the default one. You change this to 95 and 5. So basically anything higher than 95 is considered extremes, extreme overbought. And if it's anything under 5, it's considered as real extreme oversold, right? And we only look for RSI when it goes higher than 95 and or below 5. So in this case, because it's in downtrend, we look anything RSI that goes above 95. As you can see here right now, like for example, this is number 1, right? And then there's another one right here, and as you can see, right, after the price reaches above 95, you can see price just drop. And I think this is pretty good, and this is like a trend continuation, basically, that of course you need to wait a bit longer yeah, and again depending on your time frame, but I really like this system because it's pretty simple and it's pretty accurate, especially if you're using daily chart. I think it's pretty strong. So basically guys, for sell signal, yeah, just plot the indicator like this and look for the extreme overbought, yeah, anything above 95. Yeah, once you find that, just wait for the RSI to close lower 95, and then that is your entry, yeah, sell signal. And for the buy signal, of course, look for an uptrend, established uptrend, and look for an extreme oversold. Yeah, this is like, seriously, this is a lot of signal right here. That's number one, and after that we have that too, and then we have this one also, right? And as you can see, yeah, it's really like a continuation. Yeah, look over this one. Yeah, you really can make money, and I think that's a really good risk reward also. And I think that's the best thing, you know, like number one, this is like a trend, you follow the trend, and I think it gives you a good risk reward. But I think the drawback is, like, after I tested it, is that you don't really see it that often because we only look for the extremes. So I think especially if you're using daily chart, right, and I don't think you can get us maybe only 1 or 2 in a week, or even in 2 weeks, yeah, if using daily chart. So I think that's the only drawback, right? And yeah, the stop loss placement, let's just talk about stop loss placement. I think it's yeah, it depends on the trader, yeah, on the individual, but I think myself, I always look for maybe 5 to 10 pips below the swing. Yeah, swing high or swing low. So for this example, right, if you see the buy signal, yeah, the RSI goes lower than 5, then, you know, just go find a the swing low, right, and 5 to 10 pips below, put the line there. Yeah, that's your stop loss, right? And then yeah, it depends on your risk, your reward. You're looking for 2R or 1.5 hour, something like that, right? And this one also, yeah, that's your stop loss like that. So that's, and let's just look for this the sell setups earlier, right? It's just above, right, 5 or 10 pips above. Yeah, again, it depends on what. Okay, hey, yeah, that's the stop loss basically, and you can see price just drop like that. And I think it's a really good system, and I'm happy I can show you guys. And yeah, I think again I need to test it again, maybe in the next couple of months, but you guys definitely need to try this. It's very simple, and for those who still doesn't have a system right now, I think this is a very good start. You know, just play around with it, the settings, and look for maybe back test it. Yeah, who knows, that you can maybe come up with different settings or whatever, and maybe make it more even reliable. But I think this is what I've been testing, and it's so good. I'm just gonna keep going, you know, along with my other trading systems, right? I think that's all for today, guys. I really hope that this system, okay, you can use it and you can become profitable in the future. All right, this is Rico from fxstatus.com. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye bye.